Hello everyone, my name is Enkhluun. I'm from Mongolia and I'm studying Chinese language at School of International Education, Chang'an University. Today I want to show you a day in my life here at Chu.
Every morning I wake up around 7 a.m. to get ready for class.
Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Something's not fake to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Something's not fake to me now.
By 7:30, I'm out of my dorm and I ride my electric scooter to my teaching building. It's a bit far from campus, but I actually enjoy the ride. The city feels calm in the morning, and it's my favorite way to start the day. My class starts at 8. We're learning Chinese, and it's been a fun challenge. Every day I discover new things about the language and culture. Sometimes it's hard, but I really enjoy how it's improving my confidence and helping me connect with others. After class, I usually stop by the market to buy some groceries for my lunch. When I get back to my dorm, I cook for myself. It's kind of my way to relax. Cooking reminds me of home and keeps me focused on staying healthy. Around 2:30 p.m., I head to the small training area on the 5th floor of my dorm. I usually work out for about 1.5 to 2 hours. After that, I spend some time studying my Chinese lessons again, and sometimes working on projects, editing videos. It is one of my favorite hobbies. My daily life at here might seem simple, but every day feels like progress. I'm learning, growing, and building habits that will help me achieve my future goals. I look forward to the next chapter of my journey in China.